This is my first canoe trip with this bad boy right here. We're here at Mattawa Provincial Park. This is an unrecognized park, so you don't need to pay for parking, and you don't need to pay to stay here, so let's get at it. We're going for 3 days total. Hopefully we'll see some cool stuff. There's nobody else here except for this guy. Chop things to bits with you guys. I think I packed way too much stuff. You know, only going for 3 days, but pretty sure I got enough stuff to last me 4 weeks. Maybe I'll get better. Probably not. But maybe. What's going on here? Yep. This is good. Alright, today we're gonna try out the fully golden little Clio here. She's kind of small. We'll see how she goes though. Okay, so here we're here on this island. I've pretty much looked around everywhere. It doesn't seem like there's any flat spot except for literally right here where my canoe is. Right where we landed. Someone was kind enough to leave us a chair. Can't complain about that. Let's get this guy set up. Alright, tent's all set. Let's make some lunch. Well, thanks to whoever left this guy here for me. Looks like a pretty comfy chair. Alright, let's get this fire started and make some lunch. When I'm cutting wood, I really want to put a rock in the way when I'm chopping. So when I do miss the wood, I end up hitting my axe on the rock. It's really good for the edge of the axe, I heard. Keeps it nice and sharp. You know, kind of rude of my camera to die while I was building the fire, but here she is. Alright, for today for lunch we got a real special treat. We got pizza. But not only pizza, we got a special kind of pizza. You wanna know how to make it? Pita. Sausage, 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 sausage again, sausage some more, another sausage, one more sausage. The reason why this pizza is so special to me is because I forgot the sauce. So she's a sausage and cheese pizza, and that's it. That's all we get. Delicious. Done. Oh, she's done. Boom. Welcome to the director's chair where we find out if pizza with no sauce is still good. Here she is. I really like the half melted cheese, half not melted cheese. That really gives it that flavor. And then you got this little crunchy stuff. Bon appetit. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I rate this 7 out of 10 pizza sauceless pizzas. I think it's time to get some water, collect some more firewood, and get ready for dinner.
Seven hours later.
For dinner we got asparagus, potatoes, and steak. So asparagus, a little bit of oil, pepper, and salt. Next we got potatoes. An onion, a little bit of oil on this bad boy here, salt, and pepper. There it is. We're just gonna stick the asparagus right in here. Let's go like right here. Oh yeah. Nice. I'll go. When I was setting up, I had a guy randomly show up and he didn't see me, but I seen him coming in and parked his boat, started walking in, and started looking at all the trees, and it's freaky, like when you see somebody coming here, it's like the scariest thing. Somebody else, someone random, like I'm more scared of a person than I am a bear or any other animal for some reason. And it's weird to think of. And there it is, baby. Let it sit there for a little bit and get my plate ready. I think I made possibly too much asparagus. Let's see how it's looking here. Got my custom fork. Not bad, not bad. So I brought this little plate with me, and I think I cooked a little bit too much food, so I have to eat off the cutting board. Finish dinner off, clean up, and then head to bed. Had a lot of fun today. It's very exciting. I'm happy you guys came along. Too bad I forgot my pizza sauce, but that's alright. I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. Have a good night.
Morning, friends. A little cold last night. That's okay. Check this out. For breakfast today, we got some maple and brown sugar oatmeal,
with almonds, a little bit of dark chocolate chips, and some maple syrup. Maple syrup, dark chocolate. Oh, that's good. Chilly morning today. That's alright. I got the coffee. I got the oatmeal. We're living life. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Life's just better with coffee. You know? So good. Oh my god, I'm so full. Let's pack her up. On to the next spot. My girlfriend told me that men put on lip chap really weirdly. I don't know where she got that idea from.
Does it look good?
You want to see how fast I am? Time me, baby. All right, let's go. I'm ready. What do you mean you want to come? What do you mean? I know the place is nice. Okay, whatever. Say goodbye to the chair. Thanks, chair. Bye. Come on. Jeez. Oh, you want to be like that? Okay, fine. I'll leave you here. Wow. Those guys aren't nice. Whatever. We'll leave them there. So I think today we have a couple portages. Maybe just one. But in the meantime, let's see how many snags we can catch. We're just going to troll for a bit and see what happens. So we made it to the first portage. It's a dam, so we gotta go around it. I would have loved to try the rapids with that current there, but I don't know anything about doing it, so I don't know what to look for, and I feel like I'd probably just eat it.
It's the Loch Ness Monster. Stay away from it.
Fortunately, I didn't see another way around those little rapids there, so I decided to turn back. It's getting late. It's already 3 o'clock and the sun sets at 6, so I figured it'd be best to turn around. All right, time to find a new camp. I think this is home. Oh yeah, I gotta lighten my backpack a bit. Let's get this tent set up. You might be asking yourself, Shane, why is your sleeping bag blowing in the wind? Why didn't you put your fly on? Well, That's because yesterday I learned that if you sleep under a tree during a night full of fog, you're gonna wake up in a lake. It's almost like it rained all night last night, but it didn't at all. So I'm just sitting here, letting them both dry. Yeah, I brought my own chair. You know, ever since that one guy showed up at the island, I feel like I've been followed. Like, I don't know what else. I don't know what to say. Like, I just have this feeling, you know? Like, you know, you get that feeling when you're like, man, somebody's watching me. I don't know what's going on. Someone left all the firewood here, so that's pretty cool. Time to make dinner. For dinner, we're having lasagna. So what I did here is I just bought a meal ready to eat at Walmart and just dehydrated it. It's a lot cheaper that way, and it was quick and simple. For dessert, I was gonna have a chocolate bar, but I don't know what I did with it. I must have left it in the car or something. Lasagna soup. Should be ready by now. Tasty snack in there. Looks good. It's too bad I forgot that chocolate bar. That's good. I would recommend, look at that. That's good. I like that. That was unreal. I'd highly recommend doing that. Time to clean up, hit the bed.
I had a great day today. I definitely learned where my skill level's at with canoeing, especially with those rapids, if that's what you want to call them. I didn't see a way around. There was no portage that I could see to take, and I didn't feel comfortable bushwhacking my way through there, and then on the off chance I need to go back, I felt it was safer if I just turned around and found another campsite, which I did, and I'm glad. I really like this campsite. It's beautiful here. The sunset was awesome. Lasagna was awesome. Today was awesome. It was sunny. Can't complain. I'm gonna head to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I slept good last night. I didn't get wet, so I can't complain. And it's coffee time. Let's get it done, baby.
Look what I found last night. So for breakfast, I'm thinking eggs and bacon with peppers, onions, and mushrooms. The onions already have cut up from last time, so they're right there. Just cook all of the vegetables in the bacon grease. Now we'll head over to some egg. And a little cheese. And some maple syrup. That's good. Wow. This is the life. I'm so full. But yet, I can't stop. Let's see if we can catch a fish. Last night I lost old gold little Cleo, so now we're switching on to a little bit of a bigger one I found. Hopefully that'll work. I thought it'd be a great idea to go fishing in the dark. Turns out I was wrong. Imagine that. I think I got a fish on. Big old bass boy. Let's go. He hit that as soon as I put it in the water. As soon as I tossed it, he hit it. Look at that, baby. Woo! Let's go. That's so exciting. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. The slimy little boy. He's a big old chungus. Look how big he is. Let's go. We'll put it back. Goodbye, friend. Man, that thing was jumping out of the air, jumping out of the water. Gonna stop up here real quick for a little snack, and then we'll head her home.
Do you hear that? I hear something over here. I think it's behind here.
Oh my god. My chocolate bar. Thanks. Are you gonna stay a while? Oh. Okay, bye. That was weird. Nice guy. Hope he's okay. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I'll see you next time.